The most transformative experiences in our lives are often the ones that cause us the most pain. And of all the painful experiences, betrayal takes the cake. The pain of betrayal can be so intense that it can break a person, but it can also be the catalyst for profound growth and resilience. Here are 5 lessons that only those who have been betrayed can truly understand. Lesson 1: you will never be the same. There's a beautiful line in the 2004 film Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. The main character says, "You never really know someone until they betray you." This is so true. Our perception of people completely changes when they betray us. Start questioning everything that we thought we knew about them. Their entire personality is put under the microscope, and we find it difficult to reconcile the person we thought we knew with their actions. The reality is that betrayal changes us. It forces us to confront the possibility that someone we trusted could hurt us so deeply. And in confronting this pain, we grow and we become more resilient as a result. Lesson 2: trust but verify. Do you remember the famous saying from the 1960s? Trust but verify? Well, this saying has stood the test of time and is as relevant today as it was then. We must trust our gut instincts, but at the same time, be aware of the warning signs. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification when things don't seem right. The old saying, "Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me," rings especially true here. Let this be your mantra when dealing with people in the future. Lesson 3: not all wounds leave scars. When we're betrayed by someone we love, the pain can be unbearable, but not all wounds leave scars. Some wounds heal and leave us stronger than before. Lesson 4: be more forgiving. When we're betrayed, our natural instinct is to want revenge. We want to hurt the person who hurt us back. But as the old saying goes, revenge is a dish best served cold. When we take the time to forgive, we're not only doing it for the other person, but also for ourselves. We're freeing ourselves from the burden of anger and resentment. And as author and speaker Marianne Williamson has said, forgiveness is not an option, it is a necessity. Lesson 5: growth and resilience. When we're betrayed, we're faced with one of the most difficult challenges we'll ever face in our lives. But if we're able to rise to the occasion and confront our pain head-on, we'll emerge from the experience stronger and more resilient than ever before. As Viktor Frankl, the author of Man's Search for Meaning, said, "Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom." There you have it, folks. If you've been betrayed, know that you're not alone. Know that you're stronger than you think. Embrace the lessons and move forward with your head held high. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our awesome community. And if you're still hungry for more, we handpicked this video for you to watch next, or check out our channel for more amazing content. See you tomorrow.